Hello, my name is Marie Cobalt, and my colleague Zach McKellar and I will introduce and discuss the topic of using good communication skills in public health education and promotion to overcome community language barriers. Presented by Giovanna Lipau, Marie Cobalt, Yajing Zhang, and Zach McKellar. Public health education is a rapidly growing field. Public health educators are professionals committed to promoting healthier lifestyles and improving the overall quality of care by educating their audience through specifically designed programs. Some of the challenges that educators face would be cultural differences, confusing technical language, health illiteracy, misconceptions and skepticism from the public, and building relationships with sponsors. A public health educator's responsibilities include a wide range of skills. These include assessing individual and community needs, planning health education, interventions and programs, and being an advocate for health education, evaluations, and research related to health education. An entry-level public health educator must be well-versed in a variety of health topics and possess a graduate degree. The starting salary for most range from $36,000 to $56,000 a year. Through experience, senior level educators are expected to have had experience in collaboration with other facilities as well as the implementation of policies and protocols. Some professionals in this field may require specific certifications, such as being a certified health education specialist, a credential offered by the National Commission for Health Education Credentials. Public health educators may work on a full or part-time basis and operate anywhere. This graph shows the areas that public health specialists may work in. Some of the problems that specialists face within specific situations in the workplace are shown here. Educators must draw upon superior communication skills in order to overcome these obstacles. Academic achievement alone may not be enough preparation for public health educators to effectively handle every situation. Educators must be ready to draw upon superior communication skills when confronted with these daily challenges. These are some of the communication skills that are required to be a successful public health educator. There are a wide variety of areas that health educators must be knowledgeable in. Their job is to teach the public how to avoid disease and injury and enjoy a higher quality of life. Public health educators must tailor their message appropriately for a community that may not be health literate or aware of how lifestyle choices may affect their well-being. Information is constantly changing, which makes it necessary for public health educators to keep up with new information. Even the most knowledgeable individuals may feel overwhelmed with the volume and complexity of health messaging. They pinpoint the problem, establish a message, create clear instruction, and provide information that is easy to follow and understand. In order to see the importance of the skills and knowledge shown, we will provide you with some rhetorical situations in which they can be utilized.
The lack of health literacy presents a problem for affected individuals as it potentially limits their ability to make sound decisions. Tailoring their message appropriately for a community that may not be health literate may affect their health. Language in healthcare contains complex jargon that is not easily understood by the average person. Even the most knowledgeable individuals may feel overwhelmed with the volume of complexity of health messages. The use of numerous acronyms can contribute to what may already be a confusing message to the community. Public health educators must be aware that individuals will be meeting with people of different educational, racial, and cultural backgrounds. Excellent communication skills are critical to convey clear messages, gain trust, and obtain the community's participation regarding a specific health program. In order to generate sufficient interest, it is important for public health educators to prepare materials that can be easily read and use everyday language. Public health educators are responsible for reaching communities, gaining people's trust, and innovating strategies for the betterment of the people. Dr. Lorena Tarrant Clayton explains, in the past, much research has been conducted solely for the purpose of academic enrichment without actual collaboration with participating communities. As a result, there has been a trend in research methodology toward a more collaborative approach with the community in addressing specific needs. The health educator informs the community about health problems by addressing diverse populations, each with their own rooted traditional practices. It is the public health educator's responsibility to apply knowledge using good communication skills and cultural sensitivity to invoke a deeper interest in overall health improvement. They operate in a world of health literacy issues, complex jargon, public skepticism, and a continued need for affiliates and donors. The public health educator can overcome these scenarios and create public awareness. Public health educators use communication skills daily in a variety of important ways. These skills provide tools that can be used to make a meaningful, positive impact on the community and the world around us. Numerous challenges force the effective public health educator to continually seek different methods, both traditional and non-traditional, in order to educate a community. Some recommendations for the aspiring public health educator to consider are listed below. Communication skills. These skills come from continuous education and practice from the classroom to the field. Listen, engage, and promote good health. Writing skills. Necessary to convey specialized knowledge so that the public can understand. Bilingual abilities. Increasingly important to learn a foreign language in order to better assess diverse community needs. Updating technical skills. Embrace new technologies and be competent in computer applications and social media platforms. Professional development. Pursue additional academic preparation, evolving trends, and information. This concludes our presentation on using good communication skills in public health education. Thank you for listening to our presentation.